Harder. Sheesh. Oh shit! Excuse my language, people. Excuse my language. This is insanity! We're in a massive freaking tree damage here. There goes another limb. Strongest wind we ever had in Evansville so far. I am staying closer, really close to my door. Luckily I got a hang over my roof. Oh my Lord! I swear, I hope I caught that lightning strike right there. That was lightning right there. I just saw lightning. I swear, I hope I caught that. There's the thunder. There's the thunder. It is lightning over here and it's sunny. Wow. What the fudge? That was a piece of metal flying overhead. That was a piece of metal flying through the tree. I swear, I hope I caught that on video. Really do, I hope I caught that. Sorry, I'm so shaking. Hard to keep. I'm just scared. Yeah, it's pretty sunny right here.